Hey, what's up everybody? This is the fifth video on Saturday updates. I'm extremely sorry, I do not know whether I will be able to post this video on Saturday. Due to some technical error, my audio was not recorded when I shot the video for the first time. This is actually the second video which I shot for today's topic. Lightning is a natural phenomenon. Lightning is the most spectacular element of a thunderstorm. Have we learnt everything about lightning? The answer is no. The scientists are still learning about the lightning. Lightning is a discharge of electricity. Lightning causes thunder. Lightning produces extreme heat. Wait, I understood the question in your mind. In this video, we are going to see some interesting facts about lightning and how the lightning is formed. If you're new here, watching this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. And one more important thing, please see the video without skipping. If you skip, you may lose an important factor or an interesting thing. And I do have two questions to ask you for which you may answer it in the comments below. This topic, lightning, begins with an important concept called static electricity. What is static electricity? A stationary electric charge which is produced by friction, which causes spark or attraction of dust particles or hair or any other particles. I would like to explain this with a simple example that we see in our day-to-day life, combing our hair. After running a plastic comb number of times through your hair, if you are taking the comb closer to the small pieces of paper, the small pieces of paper get attracted to the comb. Here, the comb becomes either positively or negatively charged, or a charged object, and the opposite charge is induced or developed in the small pieces of paper, which make them get attracted. A charge is developed in the comb due to friction. Well, static electricity is a stationary electric charge. Now we know about static electricity. What do we have to do with lightning and static electricity? That's what we are going to see now. Lightning occurs a lot during summer. During summer, a lot of hot air due to its lower density rises from the Earth's surface to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and even 60,000 feet. This air consists of water vapor, dust particles and atmospheric gases. As it moves higher and higher, it cools down, forming water droplets and ice. This movement causes friction between ice, water, dust particles and air. Due to friction or collision, the electrons are ripped off the atoms or particles. This helps them to develop positive and negative charge. These positive charge particles are light. They go to the top of the cloud, whereas negative charge occupy the base or the bottom of the cloud. And one more important thing to remember, Earth behaves as a positively charged object. At the surface of the Earth, always the positive charges will be there. We are very much sure the positive charges attract the negative charges, like that of a magnetic poles. South pole attract the North Pole, or the North Pole can attract the South Pole. Even it is same in the case of lightning formation. When the cloud accumulates enough charges, they get attracted, during which it produces a streak of bright light, which we call it as lightning. In simple words, when positive and negative charges get attracted, it produces a sort of spark with a bright light, which we call it as lightning. There are basically three types of lightning. First one, intra-cloud, that is, within the cloud if a lightning exists, we call it as intra-cloud. And the second one, between cloud and cloud. If the lightning takes place between cloud and cloud, we can call it as cloud to cloud lightning. And the third one, cloud to ground, which is very important to know. Let us see in detail. In the third type, we can find the first layer is positively charged, second layer in the cloud itself at the bottom or base negatively charged, and the Earth's surface is positively charged. Here, the negative charge from the base of the cloud moves towards the ground, which we call it as stepped leader. And at the same time, whatever the positive charge is developed on the Earth move upward, which we call it as upward leader. Obviously, when the stepped leader and upward leader meet, lightning is formed. And a lot of electric current flows from the cloud to the ground, which we call it as electric discharge. Now let us see some of the interesting facts about lightning. What is the speed of lightning? Lightning can travel at the speed of 3,54,000 kilometers per hour. That is approximately 98 kilometers per second. But The light emitted by lightning can travel at the same speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 3 lakh kilometers per second. How much electricity does a lightning bolt have? A lightning bolt which lasts for a second will have 1 billion volt of electricity. One simple comparison, in our households we get 220 to 240 volts of electricity. Can you just imagine how powerful a lightning can be? What is the temperature of heat produced during lightning? An average lightning's temperature is 30,000 degrees Celsius. Let us compare this also. The surface temperature of the sun is approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius. Lightning can produce a temperature 5 times greater than the surface temperature of the sun. Is it good to see a lightning or lightning flash? The answer is a big no. It is not at all advisable to see lightning flash. The lightning flash can damage our retina, which will make us permanently blind. All around the world it rains. Where does the lightning strike happen? Very often in the world. A few years ago, Florida was called as the lightning capital of the world, which would have 100 thunderstorms per year. But now, Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela has become the new lightning capital of the world, which encounters 297 thunderstorms per year. What can be the thickness and length of an average lightning? An average lightning can be 2 to 5 cm in thickness and 8 km in length. What is the longest distance and duration of lightning ever recorded on Earth? I would like to tell you 2 records each. First one for distance, in June 2007, a mega flash of lightning was recorded, which was 321 km long over United States of America. But this record was broken. The new record for the longest lightning for distance is 700 kilometers across southern Brazil, which happened on October 31st, 2019. And the second one, longest duration of lightning. In August 2012, in southern France, they recorded 7.74 seconds of lightning. But this record was also broken. On 4th March 2019, a new record was set. They recorded a duration of 16.73 seconds of lightning over northern Argentina. Finally, I have 2 questions for you. Which tower in the world gets struck by lightning the most number of times? And the second one, can we harvest the lightning energy or the electrical energy from lightning, like solar energy, wind energy, etc.? If not, why? Feel free to post your answers in the comments below. I'll be definitely expecting your answers. If this video was informative, give me a thumbs up. If you think your friends also should know about lightning, please share the links with them. And if you want me to talk about any of the topics that you are interested in, leave the topics in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.